If you can see, my look is a bit pensive because I've just been receiving a lot of phone calls. And we were in court today. If you remember, just about a week ago or 2 weeks ago, we just left the Court of Appeal where a stay was applied at the Court of Appeal to stay me being recognized by INEC, despite the fact that the Supreme Court said in their own words that the removal of Chief Edozie Njoku as national chairman of APGA is not justiciable. They went to Awka and filed the suit. Solely the judge in Awka was very smart and he pulled out of it. They came to the Federal High Court again, they filed another one behind our back, and Equator was applying for an interim injunction behind the back of the national chairman of the party, behind the back of APGA, behind the back of the orders of the Court of Appeal, which asked that they should enforce the judgment as per, or affirm the enforcement of the judgment as per the Buhari High Court. Equator went forward behind the back of APGA. And INEC were very smart, and INEC have written that everything they said is not true. But Equator SAN went in with his team of lawyers to pretend that everything was all right, to trick the judge. But luckily for him, or unfortunately for him, we were all in court, and the judge refused that injunction and asked our lawyer to file his motion properly, and we will be heard in the court on the 3rd. So the injunctions have gone. The local government elections are going to take place in Anambra on the 28th. But what we should understand about this is that Charles Soludo, the governor, I don't know, it's a political system, it's not an emperor, has gone forward to get the House of Assembly to make a law whereby the party cannot field their candidates. They went to the field and conducted something behind the back of the party where they assembled certain people who are conducting anti-party activities. If you notice, the whole NWC are here, and a group of people are being suspended from the party. If you know, I've been preaching peace, 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 because it's not in the interest of the party for us to start suspending elected officers, to start suspending a governor, to start suspending House of Assembly members, to start suspending the senator from Abia. But they are pushing us far to the limit, and they are believing that the governor of Anambra State is bigger than the party. No one is bigger than the party, and so maybe they are playing on that. I want peace, that I will not change. Even the BOT. You remember what the chairman of the BOT said, that we, the NWC, must take action so that we don't look like toothless bulldogs. This is a political party, and APGA is here to stay. And to that effect, we're having a press conference tomorrow because we have 80% agreed on those people who are going to be suspended from the party. One of those people are the governor. And I'm saying, are we going to just suspend the only governor we have? But if the only governor we have is pretending or playing to the gallery, making these people who are honest people go in and commit anti-party activities, we must nip this in the bud. I don't know what Soludo is playing at. I don't know what his problem is. But he must conform himself under the party. He must know that if anything is being filed in this court, it is going to be filed by APGA. He cannot bring someone not recognized to the law who is already being served the for contempt in court, which is the man is calling Sly. He's already under from 48 for contempt. The INEC chairman was on contempt. Oye is on contempt and is going to be sentenced. So all these things, we must realize that there is law and order in Nigeria. That you are a governor, you have so much resources, doesn't mean you waste the resources of the people of Anambra State trying to chase shadows, because these are just shadows. A Supreme Court judgment has been enforced at the lower court. It has been affirmed by the Court of Appeal. You went for stay at the Court of Appeal, and the Court of Appeal said, no, we cannot stay this man. You've come to a lower court to deceive those people. What effect would the lower court have on the judgment of the Court of Appeal? None. You're just carrying us around. We are spending money on signs left, right, and center because you feel you have Anambra State money. It is highly unfair to those poor masses in Anambra State. You must now try to think back and understand that that money you are given is not given to you to use it for selfish interest. It's for the betterment of Anambra State. Thank you very much. On the 3rd of October. But the elections of Anambra State are on the 28th, which is this weekend. So the party are taking some drastic actions this night. I mean, not all of them have come in from all over the country. And we're going to decide on those who are suspended in the party and those who are not being suspended. Thank you. I'm not a member of APGA, and the governor has played on this for a while, believing that we should do nothing as a party because we want to hold on to the state we have. Yes, but one thing I want to assure you is that today, I want every person in Anambra State who feels fit to run for governor in Anambra State to know that the seat is not in Kubad. That anyone who feels that he's capable of running for the governorship of Anambra State, please come into the party because there's going to be a well-fought primary. There's going to be a clear-cut primary. And with what Charles Soludo is doing, can you see him winning the primary? And probably that's why he's doing all this. So he's got to quickly reconcile with the party. And that all those people from Anambra State who feel they are fit, forget the rumors that there's this person has got the ticket. Nobody has got any ticket in this fight. Nobody. You come in afresh, you work hard, you might get that ticket to run for APGA. Thank you very much.